Monitoring meaning, importance, scope, and objectives. Page 6 Odisha B.Ed and Education Honors. Monitoring meaning, importance, scope, and objectives. Meaning of monitoring. Monitoring is a continuous and systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and using information to track the progress of a program or activity. In the context of education, monitoring refers to the regular observation and assessment of school processes, teaching learning activities, resource utilization, and learner performance to ensure that they align with the planned objectives and expected standards. Definitions 1. UNESCO definition. Monitoring in education is a continuous process of collecting and analyzing data related to inputs, processes, and outcomes to assess the progress of educational activities. 2. National Curriculum Framework, NCF, India. Monitoring is an ongoing process of observing, documenting, and assessing the implementation of curriculum, teaching learning practices, and learner progress. 3. Jandhyala B.G. Tilak, educational economist. Monitoring in education ensures that educational inputs are being utilized properly and that the desired outcomes like equity and quality are being achieved. 4. Insert, India. Monitoring is a mechanism to ensure that the planned educational activities are implemented effectively and lead towards the achievement of learning outcomes. 5. World Bank, educational perspective. Monitoring is the regular collection of information to track the implementation of educational policies and programs and to support decision-making at all levels. 6. Stufflebeam's SIP model, educational evaluation model. According to the SIP model, context, input, process, product. Monitoring is part of the process evaluation that examines how well a program is being implemented. 7. Rossi et al., 1993. Monitoring in education refers to routine tracking of the key elements of a program's performance, such as student attendance, dropout rates, and teacher presence. 8. Oxford Dictionary of Education. Monitoring is the regular observation and recording of activities and progress in an educational setting to inform decisions and interventions. 9. Usha Vyasulu Reddy, educational technologist. Monitoring in education, particularly in ICT-based learning, involves the quality, accessibility, and effectiveness of content delivery and learner engagement. 10. UNICEF Education Monitoring. Monitoring involves regular and systematic data collection to measure progress in areas such as school enrollment, gender parity, and learning achievement. Importance of monitoring in education. Monitoring plays a crucial role in ensuring the quality, accountability, and efficiency of the education system. Its importance can be highlighted as follows. A. Ensures accountability. Holds schools, teachers, and administrators accountable for delivering educational services effectively. Promotes transparency in the use of funds, infrastructure, and human resources. B. Improves learning outcomes. Identifies gaps in student learning and allows timely intervention. Helps in modifying teaching strategies based on student progress. C. Enhances teacher performance. Encourages teachers to maintain regularity and professionalism. Supports continuous professional development through feedback. D. Informs policy decisions. Generates data that helps policymakers and administrators make evidence-based decisions. Highlights success stories and areas of concern in real time. E. Optimizes resource use. Tracks how effectively TLMs, grants, and infrastructure are being used. Prevents misuse or underuse of funds and materials. Scope of monitoring in education. The scope of monitoring is broad and includes various dimensions of the school ecosystem. It encompasses A. Academic monitoring. Observation of classroom processes, lesson delivery, student assessment, and curriculum transaction. Evaluates quality of teaching and student engagement. B. Administrative monitoring. Tracks school attendance of students and staff, maintenance of records, and infrastructure usage. Reviews implementation of school policies, schemes, and plans. C. Financial monitoring. Ensures appropriate utilization of funds, grants, donations, and other financial resources. Promotes transparency and accountability in financial transactions. D. Infrastructural monitoring. Periodic inspection of buildings, furniture, classrooms, labs, toilets, and TLMs. Helps identify infrastructural gaps affecting the learning environment. E. Community and stakeholder involvement. Monitors participation of parents, SMC members, local bodies in school activities. Evaluates the effectiveness of community-based interventions. F. Inclusive education monitoring. Observes whether CWSN, girl children, and disadvantaged groups are receiving equal attention and opportunities. Objectives of monitoring. Monitoring in education aims to ensure effectiveness, equity, and improvement. The key objectives include A. To track progress. Monitor progress towards achieving learning outcomes, enrollment targets, and curriculum goals. B. To identify strengths and weaknesses. Detect areas needing support in teaching, learning, administration, or infrastructure. C. To provide feedback for improvement. Offer timely, constructive feedback to teachers, schools, and departments for corrective action. D. To ensure compliance. Verify whether schools comply with norms, guidelines, and statutory regulations, example RTE Act, NEP 2020. E. To promote transparency and participation. Facilitate open sharing of information among school authorities, parents, and community members. F. To support evidence-based planning. Use monitoring data for designing and revising school development plans, SDPs, and curriculum strategies. G. To ensure resource utilization. Confirm that financial, material, and human resources are effectively used. Conclusion. Monitoring is an integral component of educational governance and management. It provides a clear picture of what is working, what needs improvement, and how schools can evolve to meet the changing demands of society and learners. A well-functioning monitoring system fosters accountability, responsiveness, and continuous improvement in education. To be effective, it must be systematic, participatory, data-driven, and action-oriented.